Do you like crispy egg rolls, but without all the fat from frying and with leaner meat? Then you definitely gotta try my healthier Lumpia Shanghai. This Filipino traditional snack is made with whole wheat spring roll wrappers, lean turkey, and is lightly brushed with a little bit of olive oil and baked to crispy perfection. Once you've tasted one, you can't stop at just one. You're going to be asking for more. And if you're not asking, then your family is going to be asking you for more. I'm Chris, and you're watching Eat Well, Live Well, where we take international food and drinks and transform them into healthier versions. Make sure you stick around to discover more of our amazing, healthier recipes. Now it's time for us to create a healthier Shanghai Lumpia together. So let's get started.